We are the RoboJackets, Team 3538, and this is our 2016 First Robotics Competition Season Review.
Quickly, both alliances take shots. The red alliance 2 on goal and a high goal. Blue alliance has 3 boxed bowlers in possession. One fires and scores 2, 3 in a row. Red answers with 2 more bowlers in the high tower.
Our drivetrain features a 10-wheel drive using 4-inch by 2-inch Coulson wheels. We combined concepts of both plate-style drivetrains and West Coast drives into a cantilevered wheel drivetrain with the third stage of Vex Pro 3-sim ball shifters integrated into the gearing. Waterjet plates and tube aluminum mezzanine frame make up the structure of the chassis. The drivetrain is capable of maneuvering all terrain-based defenses and is powerful enough to execute both offensive and defensive strategies on the field. Boulder handling is achieved by an over-bumper intake that feeds the boulder into a catapult cradle. The catapult is controlled by a winch mechanism that acts as the cocking mechanism and trigger with one motor. Once in the cradle, the boulder can be either shot into the high goal using targeting lights for lineup, or quickly spit out into the low goal.
Goes for the low goal.
We set out each year to improve between every event, but the craziest thing we accomplished this year was the decision to rebuild our entire robot at the Michigan State Championship. After winning the Midland District, we knew we'd probably have enough accumulated points to qualify for Worlds, but we didn't think our robot had the capability that it needed to perform well at Worlds. We identified the low bar and Group A defenses as our primary weaknesses, which led to redesigning our control board to fit in the belly pan and designing a new intake from scratch. To execute those changes, we had to pull all the other systems out, so we also decided to rebuild and retune the catapult, rebuild the gearboxes, and install new motors in the drivetrain at the same time. While our performance at States suffered, the desired result of being more competitive at Worlds was definitely achieved, and it was a big step for us as a team to be able to make the decision and follow it through despite challenges. In preparation for off-season competitions, we plan to add a scaler, add a shooting autonomous mode, and improve the intake further to have the capability of breaching the portcullis. While we have a long way to go to reach the elite, we've grown an immense amount in just 3 years. Many thanks go out to our sponsors, Plastic Engineering and Technical Services, and the FCA Foundation. Thank you.